So we're going to be following on from where we left off on our LDA model. To run our LSA model, we're just going to need to import this function. So from gensim.models, we import the LSI model. LSI and LSA are often used interchangeably, it just depends which kind of field that you're coming from. We then create our LSI model, and the code is very similar to the LDA model. So we reference our corpus, which is our doc term, our ID to word, which is our dictionary, and then the number of topics, which we specified earlier, which is going to be 2, is num topics. So we run that, and then to get our results, we print our LSA model.print topics. So here we've got 2 topics, and we can see that they do slightly differ from when we ran the LDA model. So for our first topic, the most important words are Mr., said, Trump, state, would. And for our second topic, the most important words are Mr., Trump, said, Saudi, and wait. Let's now move on to how we can optimize the number of topics.